Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I want to talk about something that I know so many of you struggle with. Think about this. You find what you believe is a winning product. You're excited, you're motivated, and you're ready to start making sales. But then reality hits. You have to build the store. Suddenly, you're spending hours, maybe even days, staring at a blank Shopify theme, trying to figure out how to make it look professional. You're wrestling with color schemes, trying to design a logo that doesn't look cheap, and pulling your hair out, writing product descriptions that actually sound convincing. How many hours have you sunk into just the design before you've even made your first dollar? It's a frustrating process that kills momentum for so many aspiring entrepreneurs. What if you could skip all of that? What if you could go from a product link to a beautiful, high-converting, ready-to-launch store in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee? That's the promise of a tool we're going to dive deep into today, Dropmagic.ai. I've spent time analyzing it, and in this review, we're going to break down if it truly is the magic bullet for launching an e-commerce store. The process is surprisingly straightforward. It begins when you find a product you want to sell. For instance, after finding a portable blender on AliExpress, you would copy the product page URL and paste it directly into the Dropmagic.ai generator. This is the only significant input required at the start. After clicking Generate, the AI takes over. In a matter of seconds, it builds out an entire single product storefront. It doesn't just import the images and title. It generates a unique brand name, a simple logo, a color palette that matches the product, and, most importantly, it writes all the copy. This includes headlines, detailed product descriptions, benefit-focused sections, and compelling calls to action. The result is a fully designed homepage that goes beyond basic templates. Dropmagic utilizes a library of over 50 conversion-optimized sections, detailed feature showcases, and social proof elements. Users can then customize the page by changing text, swapping images, and rearranging sections with a visual editor. Once satisfied, you connect your Shopify account and export the entire store with a single click, resulting in a live, ready-to-sell online store. The real value proposition lies in its standout features. The AI copywriter, for example, is more than a simple ChatGPT wrapper. Dropmagic asserts that its AI is specifically fine-tuned on the copy from 8-figure e-commerce brands, aiming to produce persuasive, sales-focused text that converts visitors into customers, a significant step up from generic, often robotic AI content. It can even generate copy in multiple languages, adapting the tone for different markets. Another key feature is instant branding. The platform automates the creation of a brand name, logo, and color scheme, which is a massive time saver for beginners and removes a common roadblock. While it may not produce an award-winning brand identity, it provides a clean, modern, and cohesive look that is more than sufficient for testing a new product. Furthermore, every store is mobile-first by default. With over half of all online sales occurring on mobile devices, a clunky mobile experience can be fatal for a business. Dropmagic ensures everything is fully responsive from the get-go, a critical and non-negotiable feature for modern e-commerce. Lastly, the inclusion of a built-in sidecart is a valuable touch. This optimized feature is designed to increase the average order value, and it's the kind of premium functionality that often requires a separate paid Shopify app. The advantages are clear. The most obvious pro is speed. The ability to go from a product idea to a fully built, ready-to-test store in under an hour is a game changer, allowing entrepreneurs to test products at a velocity that was previously impossible. This leads to the second benefit, cost-effectiveness. A good Shopify theme alone can cost $200 to $350, and when you add the cost of apps and professional services for copywriting or design, the upfront investment can be significant. Dropmagic bundles all of this into a single subscription. The third pro is its sharp focus on conversion. This isn't a generic website builder, it's a tool built by people who seem to understand e-commerce. The layouts, copy, and features are all geared towards one thing, making sales. This makes it perfect for beginners who may not yet know what a high-converting page looks like. However, the platform is not without its potential downsides. The biggest concern is originality. If thousands of users are leveraging the same tool, there's a risk of stores looking formulaic. While customization is possible, Users are still working within the confines of Dropmagic's system and its pre-designed sections. This points to the second con, customization limits. For a beginner, this simplicity is a blessing, but for an experienced store owner seeking pixel-perfect control over their brand, the platform will likely feel restrictive. It's a trade-off between deep customization and speed. Finally, it's crucial to remember that this tool does not guarantee success. Dropmagic can build a beautiful store, but it cannot find a winning product or run a marketing campaign. The hard work of market research, creating compelling ads, and managing customer service still falls on the entrepreneur. In conclusion, for the right person, Dropmagic.ai is a revolutionary tool. For a beginner in dropshipping who is overwhelmed by web design and copywriting, it serves as an incredible launchpad, removing major technical hurdles. For a serial entrepreneur aiming to test multiple products quickly, its speed is unmatched, drastically reducing the cost and time of testing new ideas. However, anyone trying to build a unique long-term brand might outgrow the platform. It's an excellent tool to validate a product, after which one might invest in a custom-built theme for full control. In short, Dropmagic is an incredibly powerful tool for the launch and testing phase of an e-commerce business. It delivers on its promise of speed and ease of use, all while being built with the right priorities in mind: conversion and a seamless mobile experience. It is not a replacement for a solid business strategy, but it may be the best tool on the market for executing that strategy faster than ever before.